Today's topic for discussion is hierarchy of categories in taxonomic structure. The botanical classifications have simplified the problems of plant classification to a large extent. This calls for a clear understanding about the taxonomic hierarchy and also taxonomic structure. The taxonomic hierarchy was first established by Linnaeus in 1758 in Animal Kingdom. While studying the units of classification, we have seen that in any botanical classification, the plants are assembled into taxonomic groups based on certain relationships. The groups so formed are further assembled into more inclusive groups, and these in turn into still more inclusive groups. All the groups so produced can be arranged serially based on their inclusiveness, and the more inclusive groups at the top of the series and least inclusive groups at the bottom of the series. The levels of group in such a series denote its rank or category. Such a hierarchical series of ranks or categories was first referred to as a taxonomic structure by Manson in 1950. The list of ranks and their hierarchical levels in the taxonomic structures were resolved by the International Botanical Congress at the Assembly in Montreal in the year 1961, which is known as Montreal Code 1961. According to this code, following are the ranks permitted in any botanical classification in order of their hierarchy. Division, class, subclass, order, suborder, family, subfamily, tribe, subtribe, genus, subgenus, section, subsection, species, subspecies, varieties, subvarieties, forma, clone, ramete. These are the ranks permitted in any botanical classification. The use of all the ranks in the classification is not mandatory. The number of ranks used in any scheme of classification can be a need-based, and the number of plants can be identified using the given classification. However, hierarchical order of the ranks in any classification remains unaltered. At this juncture, it should be clearly remembered that what we call family today was described by earlier botanists as order or natural order in taxonomic structure as adopted by Bentham and Hooker. However, it is not permitted by the International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. This is the concept of hierarchy of categories in the taxonomic structure.